Hey Prof, what does digitalization in welding technology actually mean?
Interesting question. You know, the welding process itself, it's analog, it's not digital. And we have an electric arc that is melting metal. So in our context, digitalization in welding means that we detect and measure data, and by analyzing and evaluating them, create relevant information. That sounds very theoretical. Let me give you an example. So we measure the electrical parameters and also wire and gas consumption. And by analyzing this data, we can create consumption data for energy, gas, wire. And we can also then detect productivity and quality data. So that's what digitalization in welding means.
Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.